My name is Sai Teja Reddy. I am currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from the branch CSCI, section Infinity, subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. Today we are going to learn about topic called as problems on centroid. Problem number 1. Locate the centroid of the shaded region. We can see the figure which consists of 4 components, namely rectangle, one semicircle and 2 quadrants having a 100 mm radius with respect to y and x axis. Problem description and a shape division. Objective: locate the centroid of the given shaded area. Given shape: a composite figure consists of a rectangle, a semicircle, positive area, 2 quadrants, negative area subtracted from the shape. Key steps: divide the shaded area into simple geometric compounds. Identify the positive and negative contributions. Add areas of a positive shapes and subtract areas. Calculate the centroid and area of for each component. Component details and centroid. One rectangle with positive area. You can see the figure rectangle with respect to y and x axis having a breadth 200 meter and height 100 meter. The formula we are using in rectangle called L into B. 200 into 100 is equal to 20,000 millimeter square. Description: a large rectangle forms the base of the shaded area. Dimensions: 200 mm into 100 mm. The centroid of the rectangle with respect to x axis is width by 2. That means 200 by 2 is equal to 100 mm. With respect to y axis we get 500 mm. Semicircle with a positive area. The distance between the semicircle and the x axis is 100 meter. The base of the semicircle is a 200 meter. The formula is 4r by 3 pi. Description: a semicircle is located at the top of the rectangle having a radius 100 mm, where pi r square by 2 is equal to 100 into pi r square by 2. We get 15,707.96 millimeter square. Centroid with respect to semicircle x-axis is 100 mm along the center of the semicircle. With respect to y-axis 4r by 3 pi, 42.44 mm above the base of a semicircle. First quadrant of a circle with a negative area. The quadrant consists of a radius 100 mm on the formula 4r by 3 pi. Description: a quadrant or a quarter circle is removed from the lower left corner of the rectangle having radius 100 mm. Pi r square by 4, we get 7853.98 millimeter square negative. With the centroid with respect to x-axis is 4r by 3 pi, 42.44 mm. With respect to y-axis 42.44 mm. Second quadrant of a circle with a negative area. You can see the distance between the quadrant and y-axis is 100 meter and the radius is 100. We are going to using formula called as 4r by 3 pi, where pi r square by 4 is equal to 7853.98 millimeter square. Centroid with respect to x-axis we get 157.56 mm. With respect to y-axis 42.44 mm. Final centroid location. The centroid of a shaded area is located at x and y axis is 100 mm and 121.54 mm. Thank you.